Have you ever wondered what would happen if you went without drinking water for 5 days? Would you be able to survive, or would your body shut down? In this video, we will explore the shocking consequences of not drinking water for 5 days in just 3 minutes. On day 1, dehydration begins to set in after just a few hours of not drinking water. As the body loses fluids, it attempts to conserve water by decreasing urine output, which results in a darker color and a stronger odor. The mouth and throat start to feel dry and sticky, and a mild headache may develop. At this stage, the body is already struggling to function properly, and it becomes challenging to concentrate and focus on tasks. As you move into day 2, the body starts to experience more severe symptoms. The skin becomes dry, and the lips may crack. The heart rate increases to compensate for the decreased blood volume, which can lead to palpitations and dizziness. Fatigue and weakness set in as the body's energy levels drop, making it challenging to perform even basic tasks. By the 3rd day without water, the body is severely dehydrated, and the symptoms become increasingly severe. The body's temperature regulation system is disrupted, and the person may begin to feel feverish. Breathing becomes shallow, and the mouth and throat may become sore, making it difficult to speak or swallow. The skin becomes dry and tight, and the person may experience itching or flaking. Muscle cramps and joint pain may occur due to the lack of fluid to lubricate and cushion the joints, making it difficult to move or walk. On the 4th day, the body is in a critical state, and the person may start to experience hallucinations, delirium, and confusion. The skin becomes dry and shriveled, and the eyes may appear sunken. The kidneys start to shut down, leading to a buildup of toxins in the body, which can cause seizures and even coma. By the 5th day without water, the body is in a critical and life-threatening condition. The organs in the body begin to fail, and the person may experience multiple organ failure, leading to irreversible damage and potential death. This occurs as the body's cells and tissues are deprived of the essential fluids needed to maintain their function, leading to a buildup of toxins in the bloodstream. The heart may become unable to pump blood effectively, leading to circulatory collapse and shock. The kidneys may also fail, leading to a buildup of waste products in the bloodstream that can cause seizures, coma, and eventually death. In short, the consequences of not drinking water for 5 days are severe and can lead to irreversible and potentially fatal damage to the body's organs and systems. Dehydration affects every system in the body, from the skin to the kidneys, and can cause permanent damage. And if you are struggling with drinking water, just remember that the universe is endless, and no human being could care less about your issues.